Come on out, you two. Come on out. What are you guys doing underneath the house? Come on. It's too dangerous in there. Come on. You, and all your brother and sister need to come out. Come on. Come on out now. There's nothing to do out there, inside there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on out. I see your eyes. I see all your eyes. You come out now, or I'm gonna go in there and get you. Give you 10 minutes. Bye bye.